Hi gorgeous, welcome back to the declutter series. Let's declutter some bronzers. Okay, so I pulled all of my bronzers out of that drawer and let's just get down to it. This is the Morphe bronzer cream stick. I haven't used this in forever. She's gotta go. This here is, oh my gosh, is this the Skin Transformer? Oh, this is the Soft Sculpt bronzer. Let's see here. I actually really liked the velvety feel of this one. It's kind of similar to the House Labs. I'm going to keep this. This, I believe this is a highlighter. Is it? No, this is a bronzer. Whoops. I remember having the hardest time getting any color payout on that. So I'm sorry, Mac. I love you, but got a blast. This is from NARS. She's not even open. I can already tell you it's the Orgasm color because I got them to, oh, I mean not Orgasm, Laguna. Yes, that's what I meant to say. Sorry. The Laguna color because they always sell out and I love the color so much. Oh yeah, she's brand spanking new. She's brand spanking new. Yep. Wow. Okay, obviously gonna keep that. I'm gonna keep this one in its box because I know I have another one around here, and this will ensure that I grab the not new one before the new one. This is from Morphe. I remember I used to use this all the time. It's a nice little bronzing powder, but I think it's just time to go. Oh boy, this from NARS. Gee whiz, girl, let me tell you. This was so expensive. And it used to have this gold shimmer right here. It was all throughout the bottom here. And then it kind of ombre effect up to the brown. And like the glitter, the shimmer lightened up as it came up. That's like all the glitter you would get. And one swipe and your glitter's gone. So this was like such a huge hoopla. Like people were mad about this product. I think it was like $60. Like it was up there. Let me put this on this side, on the keep side, and I'll decide by the end of the video if I really want to keep it or not. Because she was expensive. This is the Perricone MD No Makeup Bronzer. She's a cute little moment, but I've got a lot of these no makeup products, so we'll get rid of her. Let's see here, Ilia. I don't really remember. Oh, wow, look at the pigment on that one. Nice. I'm going to keep her. Soft velvety feel. This was, I don't know if it was the wrong shade or just the product itself, but the undertone did not look good on me. It did not like me. I did not like it. So the Jaclyn Cream Bronzer in the shade Toasty. Gotta go. I'm absolutely keeping this because it is so gorgeous. So pretty. Fenty Beauty bronzer / highlight. Kind of whatever you want to do. Body glow. Do whatever with this, really. Say Cream Bronzer. This is a good one. I definitely want to keep this. It's a really pretty bronzer. Gorgeous. Next up, oh, Hourglass. We left some Hourglass. Definitely keeping this bronzer. Super pretty, very nice ambient lighting type product. Like, you have a really nice glow with this product. This product is a bronzer, I promise you. It just, I don't know really what happened there. It's called Bronzing Act, and I just don't know. Like, look at the shade. Got a blast. Obviously keeping the Charlotte Tilbury Cream Bronzer, if I could open it. This is a gorgeous bronzer / contour product. Definitely keeping. Ooh, Tom Ford. I kept this in its box for obvious reasons. Tom Ford, say less. Oh, I opened it the wrong way. But I think it's time that she can come out of her box. Look at how beautiful. See, this is why I keep it in the box. Everything's still so nice and clean. Packaging, stunning. This is a really pigmented product. Definitely keeping. Super pretty. with the Patrick Ta bronzer. I'm gonna keep this. Too Faced. Let's see what they're. I mainly just bought these at first because the packaging is so cute. Wow. Wow, that's a beautiful shimmer. But I also have this one, and I also have this one. So let me keep this one, and we'll decide between these two. This one is matte. Obviously, the other one's going to be matte too, but let's see what color is going to look better on me. Dark chocolate. I'm actually going to keep this one, and I'll get rid of this one. Cream, Fenty Cream Bronzer. I'm going to keep Fenty. This is the Sunstalker, Fenty Sunstalker. Hi, do you see me? Let's see what this color looks like. Oh my gosh, have not even, oh. So this is not cream, it's just a powder. We need to keep that so we can give it a good try. This is the Danessa Myricks. I know this is like insanely pigmented. Super pigmented. Definitely I want to keep that. Dang, the bronzers were harder than I thought. What is this? Laguna. Of course it is. A mini. The only thing I don't like about NARS packaging is your fingerprints just get everywhere. One, here's this, another Laguna, but I'm pretty sure this one's like down to the, yep, absolute, she can go. This is a cream bronzer or contour stick. She can go. Kevin Aquan, come right up. Look at how pretty that is. And you see how it ombres? So gorgeous. I'm going to keep it. I definitely lean towards keeping all the things that shimmer. This is a Hoola caramel color. This is the Hoola light. These are really good, especially makeup artist wise. They're small, they're compact. You can keep them in your kits. And the color ranges are good for, like, you can keep them all in your kits and kind of, for the most part, have everybody's skin tone color covered. The gold bar from Charlotte Tilbury. Are you kidding me? If you think I'm getting rid of this, you've lost your mind. It's gorgeous. Enough said. Okay, I see more Charlotte. Gaga. What is this? Didn't even remember that I had this, if that tells you anything. Quickie contour stick. I think I can get rid of that. Done. Okay, we've got, I see beauty wands. What do we have here? This is the highlighter. This one is a contour wand. And this is another highlighter. So I'll tell you what, I'm going to definitely keep these highlighters. I'm going to put them to the side because they're going to go in a different drawer. This contour stick, I can't remember. I know it was expensive, I can tell you that much, but I can't remember if I really liked it or not. Sorry, I keep hitting the camera. Wow. Okay, we'll keep her to give her another try. Anastasia, this bronzer, cream bronzer stick. Since I'm keeping quite a few, I feel like I can get rid of this one. And it has a reddish undertone on me, so that doesn't look the best on my skin tone. Gotta blast. Next, we know who this is. Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. We're gonna keep her. And obviously, this is House Labs from Lady Gaga. Gosh, I have barely even used this. Jeez. But it's got such a gorgeous velvety feel to it. We're keeping her. Empty bucket. We love to see it. Okay, now I'm going to put this stuff back in the drawer. Oh, and I did decide that I was going to keep this. You guys, that looks so much better. Oh my gosh, I wish I would have taken a before shot. But I do have a previous declutter video, and that's got a before shot of every single drawer. So this looks absolutely amazing, and it closes all the way. Like, I can't even believe that. Wow. Oh, so gorgeous. Anyways, I will catch you on the next declutter video. Let me know which drawer I should declutter next. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.